there's a tornado, I am getting indications of 65-mile-per-hour winds basically on the front edge of that leading line. So you could easily get straight line wind damage, even if there's not a tornado in there. And again, it's going to be rain wrapped. You can't see this thing, and that's the tough thing about this. Everybody wants to see that classic funnel shape that comes down, but you're just not going to get it. Well, this kind of confirms exactly what I was looking at on our radar here. Highlandville got a report of 60-mile-an-hour wind gust as the storm passed by there just within the past few minutes. And again, this goes back to our great network of storm spotters that we have, that when we have damage reports and stuff like that, they relay back to the Weather Service, and then they get back in touch with us and kind of let us know what is happening here. We're going to continue to follow along with this, as this is affecting obviously a very major part of our metropolitan area here from Ozark to Sparta. And I know a lot of people who are kind of asleep right now are just kind of waking up and seeing these storms. Michelle, if you see any other things pop up there, just let me know. Michelle Sherwood in here with us, kind of keeping track of any reports coming into the newsroom and going to let us know anything else that gets fumbling in here to us. But again, the main threat is going to be very damaging winds with that isolated shot of a quick spin up of a tornado. These are not the type of storms that are on the ground for a long period of time where you've got a massive tornado coming across, but they're more of the nature of the line moves along and you get a quick little touchdown of the tornado, and then a lot of times they lift back up. That's just kind of the nature of what we're kind of looking at here. But nevertheless, you get damage from that. And you get more widespread damage with straight line winds, which is what you're going to find almost up and down all along this line here that you can see that runs now into portions of eastern Greene County. So what I'm going to do is actually kind of refresh things a bit for you, widen the view out a bit, and then take you back down into things, because we've got a lot of rain. You know, it's raining in Houston. Maybe a lot of you waking up saying, okay, are we going to have severe weather? Well, as of right now, what I can is that the most severe parts of the storms continue to be into eastern Greene County with this one individual line that stretches out from Stratford and then back down here into Christian County. This is the strongest that I see on radar. So the rest of the area, as of right now, you don't want to be really under the gun, so to speak. But if you are in eastern Greene County, Christian County, and I'd be on the lookout here into Webster County before too long. We know Rogersville, you guys already dealt with round 2 not too long ago. You had severe thunderstorms moving through earlier that did that damage. And we showed you on the 10 o'clock newscast there were multiple trees. Well, you've got a very similar line coming through again right now. So hopefully that you've all gone back inside and everything and kind of